In this video, I will show you how to change colors of Trello cards. Here, we have our Trello cards. To change the colors of these cards, search for List Highlighter for Trello and add it on your Chrome. Once added, go back to your Trello account and refresh the page. Go to Puzzle icon and click the highlight for Trello. We have these rules that if we put this hashtag in the title of these cards, it will change it to its designated color. Let's try this hashtag normal and it will change the card to pink. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!